Oh, yeah.
Stuff underneath the mud here. There's a little baby there, look. Let's get that.
Whoa, you know.
No way. No way. Over there.
I hear you. I hear you.
They don't hear you. They don't talk English. They talk beehive.
Whoa. It's all you can hear. Whoa, look, it's a queen bee, look. You can
Wow, look at the size of that.
That one.
Yeah. Protecting his mum, protecting his...
scared the life out of me again.
They like secret places. It's leaving. It's leaving the nest.
Wait, where is it? Where is it? There, it's there. It's by Uncle Chris. Whoa. Look at that. It's just flew off. No, isn't it still there?
It won't fly away. All its young's in there. It just wants to be left alone, so we need to put it somewhere. Let them all go to it. So put it over there somewhere. Put it over there. So they'll all find its way over there. Listen. It's not flying very nicely. I'll try a barbecue.
I'm filming this. Where's the queen bee gone? Oh, she went back in there.